morning, guys. Quick one. We will start with the introduction on keyboard harmony and improvisation. There are quite some basic things we really need to take up on this module. I will cite practical examples, then you go read them all. You should understand what an interval is if you really want to be a good improviser. Then you should also understand skills, tonic, tonics, and whatever kind of skills that ever exist. But this morning, I will only talk about intervals and tonic. For example, on the key of C, you have the middle C and an E and a G. That is a tonic chord for the key of C. You can also call it a tonic triad because it involves three different notes. So the combination of the first, third, and fifth scale steps of any key is called the tonic chord. So it's much easier. Now let's assume that we want to work basically on these two alone for today. There's an interval between C, you have these, and E, you have just this, you have these two, then and G. So these intervals are quite very useful for your improvisation. Let's assume you have this basic tonic triad and you want to improvise on this. Let's assume this is a a single bar with 4 of these cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you want to make use of these on improvisation. You have this is 1, then you split. You have improvised using the same triad. You never change. I do it this way. You have practically played the same thing repeatedly, but breaking the chords, which is the arpeggio, and splitting the chords, bringing them into each other, transferring the first note to the middle to the last back to the middle, in that manner. These are typical examples. I am restricting quite some information now because we really need to work on basic skills and to understand quite a huge number of keyboard harmony information before we can go much deeper. I'm going to share some information after this video, but I just wanted you to see quite some number of practical example so that when I'm sharing the information you're able to understand the exact thing I'm talking about. For example, a common thing that is the basic chord for the first bar. The second interpretation of that would be that's an interpretation. I mean, why different types of interpretation could come to just one single band using just the same triad in the music. But to make it more lively, because in most cases, when Bach writes his chorus, you can imagine his chorus. That let's assume Bach was going to write this in chorus. Quite